Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to make these super easy and beautiful thread balls. They are perfect for home decor and for centerpieces, and they are very affordable. So let's get started. So guys, most of these supplies you may already have at home. So we have our thread, we have our school glue and some balloons. And for this, you can use any thread, yarn or twine, but today I'm using crochet thread. So to start, you're going to inflate your balloons to the desired size. This will determine how big your thread ball will be. I'll be using this Mott's fruit cup to hold my glue, so I'm going to be using a regular needle to run the thread through the cup, and then I'm going to be adding my glue. So the thread will pass through the cup and the glue. Make sure you had enough glue so that it's fully soaked and coated, as this is what helps your ball to hold its shape once it's dry. It's time to start wrapping your thread around the balloon, and you're going to wrap in all different directions. I think the crazier, the better. You're going to wrap until the balloon is fully covered. Don't wrap it too tightly, and the more thread you had, the stronger your ball will be. So I didn't mention earlier the colors I'm using, the pastel colors. I chose those to go along with the spring and Easter seasons, so I can use this as a decor piece for my Easter decorations. I'm going to be starting my second color, so here I am getting the thread through the needle so I can put it through the cup with the glue. I'm just running the needle through the same holes I made earlier when I was making the first ball, and then I'm going to go ahead and wrap my glue soaked thread around my balloon in all directions. So these, I must say guys, are just so easy to make, and if you have seen these being sold before, you know they're not always the cheapest, and it requires no real technique in how you wrap it. No matter how you do it, it's going to turn out looking amazing. And guys, I just like to hit you with a little reminder. If you are enjoying the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. And please also drop me a comment and let me know what you think. I'm now wrapping my last balloon, guys, and once done, I'm going to set them aside to dry for about 24 hours or overnight. The drying time will really depend on how thick your thread is. I'm done wrapping my balloons and I have some glue left over, so I'm going to use my brush to apply it over the thread, and that's going to give it some extra hold and firmness once it's dry. Once the balls are completely dried, we are going to pop the balloons and remove it from the inside. And just like that, you're left with your beautiful thread ball. The balloon indeed just makes a perfect mold. This craft is also something I think the kids will love making. It's just so fun and easy to do, and the final product is just awesome, simply amazing and beautiful. So I have these wooden dowels and flat piece of wood that I'll be using to make a base stand for my thread balls, and they are just so versatile. They can be used in so many different ways as part of your decor, and today I'm just going to show you a couple ways. So for this one, I'm just going to be stacking them and then I'll be adding some flowers and you are going to see how pretty it looks. You could also add some paint to the stand, guys, like white or any other color if you are going for a particular look. For this piece, I like that there is a little room available to add more decor pieces. So you could add a vase with flowers or a candle. So this is how it turned out, and how cute and pretty is this, guys. It's just really beautiful and I really love it. Another way to use these is to add a string to the ball and hang them. You could also add fairy lights to these. They give a very beautiful glow, and you could also make them smaller and add them to a bowl. So let me know what you think, guys, about these, and thank you so much for watching as usual, and I will catch you in the next video.